Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, my name is Shamvi. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I create beauty, makeup, and mostly lipstick videos, and I would really appreciate if you can take a moment to just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So before jumping to the video, I just want to wish each and every one of you a very happy new year, and I'm so excited to be starting off this year with a bang. I'm really excited for today's hashtag lipstick Friday video. If you don't know, I have this series that is going on my channel, so wherein I just talk about lipsticks, lip swatches, like everything related to lipsticks on Fridays. So that's why it's called as hashtag lipstick Friday. So on my previous video, which was the 60 shades of red lipsticks, most of you requested for a brown nude lipsticks, and thank you so much for everyone that made this video happen. I just pulled out all my brown nude lipsticks from my collection. I have around 100 shades of nude brown lipsticks in today's video, and I have so many like brown lip liners as well that are like just amazing, but I'm not gonna include in today's video because it is going to be like really long and my lips are just going to die, so I don't want to do that. So probably I'm just gonna share with you like all the good lip liners that you can use probably in my next video. But since this is a brown lipstick video, I also did add like a few like dark brown lip shades which are really pretty and flatter Indian skin tones. So like there are only few, but I just wanted to add them as well because they are such amazing shades. So yeah guys, I don't know how long this video is going to take, so find a nice cozy place and just relax and enjoy the video.
So the first shade that I have is called as Trustworthy. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. It's their long-lasting liquid lipstick. Now this is such an amazing peachy brown nude. I absolutely love this shade, and I think it just complements each and every skin tone so well. And also I love the formula of these lipsticks. They are very long-lasting, very comfortable on the lips, and it's a non-transfer proof kind of a lipstick. So yeah, really great, and I highly recommend you guys to check this one out. So next we have a bunch of MAC lipsticks. So the first one is the Persistence shade. Now this is the matte lipstick formula. So this formula in particular, it's very creamy, it's matte, and it's very comfortable on the lips, and also it's very pigmented. So this shade is, again, it's a nice like a peachy warm brown nude. I really love this shade. Then we have the shade called Whirl, again from the same matte lipstick range. Now this is a very cool toned kind of a mauvey brown nude. I really love this shade so much, and again it flatters anyone from medium, fair to medium to even tan skin tones. Yeah, really pretty color. And then we have the shade called as Taupe, and this is again a very universally flattering shade as well. Now this is again a nice peachy brown shade. Now this one and the shade Persistence is a little similar to each other, but still this has more of the peach undertone to it. Then we have the shade called as Paramount. Now this is the satin lipstick formula. Now this has a little bit of sheen in there. It's very comfortable, it's creamy, and it just glides on so smoothly. Now this shade again is such a nice like a dark brown shade. Then we have the shade called as Mocha, again from the same satin formula. Now this one is a very muted peachy brown nude. Definitely looks flattering on fairer skin tones, like fair to medium skin tones. Yeah, really pretty shade. Then we have the MAC X Patrick Star. This was in collaboration with Patrick Star, who's a YouTuber, and this is in the shade called as Mama Star. Now this is again very pretty, like a pinky brown shade. I really love this shade so much, and I think it again flatters each and every skin tone so well. Then we have the MAC Lip Intensity lipstick in the shade Toast and Butter. Now this is again a very pretty nude brown shade. I really love this so much. It's a warm nude shade, and this formula is very smooth. It just glides on very beautifully. It has a little bit of sheen in there as well. And then we have the MAC velvet matte lipstick in the shade antique. Now this shade, I got it in a set, like snowball collection kit. Now I don't know if it's still available here in India or not, but again, this matte lipstick, and the shade is so nice and vampy. Yeah, I really like it. So next I have again a bunch of Nykaa lipsticks, So Matte range. It's called as chocolate truffle. Now this is such a beautiful, a chocolate, like a dark chocolate brown shade. I really love this shade so much. Again, it flatters almost every skin tones, but for dusky and deeper skin tones, just looks amazing. And then we have the shade called as hot cocoa, which is a very pretty, like pinky gray brown. So it has a little specks of like gray undertones to it, which makes it quite unique. And again, guys, this just suits almost every skin tone, especially medium to tanner skin tones. It just looks amazing. Then we have the shade called as Bonbon. Now this is again a very beautiful, like a reddish brown nude, definitely a nude for deeper and dusky complexions. Yeah, very pretty, and I love it. Then we have the shade called as Hot Fudge. Now this one is kind of like a warm, like a warm chocolate brown nude. And yeah, definitely looks really pretty, and anyone can pull this off. Again, for people with medium to like dusky skin tones, this looks gorgeous. And then we have the shade called as Coffee Mousse. Again, a very pretty, like a reddish brown nude. Definitely flatters medium and dusky skin tones so well. Then we have the shade called as Praline Cookie, and this is a perfect nude shade. It is the undertone is perfect. It is not too warm, it's not too neutral, it's just right in between. I love this shade so much. I think this looks absolutely gorgeous on any skin tones, like even from fair to medium to even dusky skin tones can pull this off. Then lastly, we have the shade called as Irish Coffee. Now this is again a very, very unique color. I love this so much. It is it has that mauve undertones to it. It's a mauvey brown lipstick with a little hint of like gray tones as well. So yeah, as I said, it's very unique, very pretty. Again, flatters each and every skin tone from fair to medium to even dusky skin tones. Then we have the L'Oreal Color Riche matte lipstick in the shade Mahogany Studs. Now this is again a very pretty, like mauvey pink brown. I really like this. It's very comfortable, it's very matte, and it's very creamy as well. So yeah, I really like it, and I think anyone can pull this off. Up to tan and up to like tan skin tones, anyone can pull this off. It just looks beautiful. Then we have the Maybelline the Bricks collection lipstick in the shade Midtown Pink. Now this has a peachy undertones to it along with brown, and yeah, it's a very pretty color, and it also has a little hint of that pink undertones as well. So just flatters again every skin tone so well. Then we have the powder matte lipsticks. Now these lipsticks, they just break. I don't know why, but all of the powder matte lipsticks, they just like have broken down inside. So anyways, the shade Walnut is amazing. It just looks so beautiful. We have the shade called as Toasted Brown. Now this is my absolute favorite from this range, and yeah, I really like it. It's such a nice, like a warm peachy brown nude, and again flatters almost every skin tone, especially fair to medium to tan skin tones so well. Yeah, I really love this shade, and even the formula and the shade, like everything looks so damn gorgeous. Then lastly, I have the shade called as Raw Cocoa from the same powder matte range. Now again, this shade is quite unique. It is a gray tone brown shade. It's nude color, definitely a nude for medium to dusky skin tones, and it just looks gorgeous and very different. So yeah, I really like it. Next, we have the Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. Now this is such a universally flattering lip shade, especially like for medium to tan skin tones. It just looks amazing, and yeah, it's a beautiful, like a pinky brown nude. So yeah, I really like it. Then we have Maybelline lipstick. It is called as Crazy for Coffee, and this is again such a beautiful, like a pinky brown nude. I absolutely love this. Even the formula is so comfortable. It has a little bit of sheen in there. Looks like a lipstick gloss. So yeah, I really love this. Okay, then we have the Nykaa paint sticks in the shade number 02. Again, guys, this is such a beautiful nude brown shade with some gray undertones to it. It's definitely like a cool tone brown nude. I love this so much, and it just gives off like a little edgy vibe. So yeah, looks really very pretty on almost every skin tones. Then we have the Dose of Colors, Desi and Katie, in collaboration with Desi and Katie. This was actually, I think it was a limited edition, I'm not sure. And this is in the shade Aftermath. Now, this is such a beautiful, like a fall appropriate kind of a shade. So, definitely in fall season, you can rock it. It's kind of like an orangey brown nude. Yeah, very, very pretty. And then we have Nykaa Pout Perfect lipstick in the shade Nude Me Not. Now, this is again a very pretty, like a Kim Kardashian kind of a lipstick. It is a little neutral toned brown nude. Very, very pretty. Again, I think it flatters people with fair to medium skin tones the most. Then we have the Lakme 9 to 5 matte lipstick in the shade Brownie Point. Now this is a very pretty, again a nude, warm nude brown lipstick. It is such a perfect shade of brown, you guys. I absolutely love this. I think it just flatters again every skin tone so well. And yeah, look at that. It just looks so gorgeous, and even the formula is very comfortable. It's matte and it's very creamy. Then we have the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Caramel Cut. Now this is a muted down pinky brown nude. So very flattering on the skin. I think again people with fair to medium skin tones can easily pull this off. It just looks so freaking pretty. I absolutely love this shade as well. And then we have the Huda Beauty's liquid matte lipstick in the shade Girlfriend. Now this is a very nude brown shade, definitely for people with light to fair skin tones. It just looks gorgeous, but for other skin tones, it can wash you off a little bit, but yeah, still a very pretty shade though. Next we have the shade called as Trendsetter, which is such an like universally loved lipstick. Now this one is like a peachy brown nude. Definitely for people with medium to tan skin tones can pull this off so well. It is such an gorgeous shade, you guys. I absolutely love it, and even the formula is very comfortable, very lightweight on the lips. Then we have the Milani lipstick in the shade Bahama Beige, and this one is again a very like Kim Kardashian kind of a nude. It's it just looks amazing on medium, fair to medium skin tones, and it's very creamy. It has a little bit of sheen. It's very comfortable on the lips. Then we have Sugar Never Say Dry creme lipstick in the shade The Brown Ultimatum. Again, guys, this is such a beautiful brownie nude shade. I really love this, and again, coming to the formula, it's very creamy, it's very, very comfortable, and it kind of has a little sheen as well. So yeah, really nice. And then we have NY Bay matte lipstick in the shade Peppy Pearson. Now this one, it is a little hard to apply on your lips. It does tug your lips a little bit, but and you also have to use it like around 3 to 4 times to get that pigmentation on your lips. But it is such a pretty like a peachy brown nude. I absolutely love this so much. And then we have the Maybelline Superstay matte ink liquid lipstick in the shade Fighter. Now this is such a pretty, again a fall appropriate kind of a lipstick. Definitely flatters like dusky deeper skin tone so well. And coming to the color, you guys, it is kind of like a orangey brown nude. Yeah, really pretty and very, very unique. Then from the same range of lipstick, we have the shade called as Amazonian, which is such an amazing nude brown shade. Again, it has the little hint of that orangeness to it to give that warmth to the lip shade, but it just flatters every skin tone so well, especially medium to dusky skin tones. Amazing. I absolutely love this shade. Then we have Milani Amor Shine liquid lip in the shade Temptation. This is a lip gloss, and definitely this particular shade is kind of like a 90s vampy brown shade. I really love this shade so much, and yeah, it just makes your lips look very juicy and big. So yeah, I love this. And then we have the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. Now this is again of universally loved lipstick. It just flatters almost every skin tone so well. It's kind of like a pinky brown lipstick. I absolutely love this, you guys, and I think it just looks so beautiful and makes you look very young, and it just gives off like a very soft look to your face. So I really love it. And also the formula is very comfortable, it's long lasting, and it's transfer proof kind of a lipstick. So yeah, definitely go for it. So next we have Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Madras Kapi. Now this is again a very pretty like a nude shade. Definitely it is similar to the Huda Beauty Trendsetter, but Huda Beauty Trendsetter has more of like a peachy undertones to it, but this is more of like a like flat out straight out nude brown lipstick. So yeah, I really like it. And then we have the shade called as Chai. Now this one is for my deeper dusky babies. Like it just looks so gorgeous, and yeah, just flatters your skin tone. So this has like little red undertones in it, and yeah, I really like it, and it just looks amazing. Then we have the L'Oreal Infallible Ultra Matte Le Chocolate in the shade Volupto Choco. Now this is again a very pretty like warm like a warm nude brown. I absolutely love this so much. Again, flatters medium to tanner skin tone so well. I really love it. Then from the same range of lipstick, we have the shade called as Truff Amania. Now this is again a very nice like a chocolate brown shade, definitely apt for people with tan and deeper dusky skin tones. Guys, these lipsticks, they are very comfortable, very similar to the Maybelline Superstay matte lipstick. It is very, very long lasting, and it's very comfortable on the lips. Next we have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Cowboy. Again, a very pretty nude shade, such a nice like warm brown nude. I absolutely love this, and definitely guys, for like fall season, this is going to be like the perfect nude for fall. Yeah, and again, very comfortable, long lasting. And then we have the shade called as Shakedown from the same range, and this is again a nice like a chocolate brown shade. If you want to go with like a nice darker lip shade, then definitely you can use this. Or for people with like dusky and deeper complexions, this just looks absolutely stunning, like a nude shade on you. So yeah, really pretty, very comfortable, and again long lasting. And then we have Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the shade Cork. Now this is a yellow toned brown shade, a nude brown shade. Yeah, very unique, very different, and I really like it. I think it just flatters again fair, medium, and tan skin tone so well. And even the formula of these liquid lipsticks is so freaking comfortable. And then we have another shade from the same range, which is called as Knock on Wood. As you guys can see, this is such a pale nude brown shade, definitely flatters fair and lighter skin tones. And these liquid lipsticks are also so freaking pigmented, a little goes a long way. And then we have Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Love Bite. Again, a very nice like a fall lip shade. It is an orangey brown nude, definitely the nude for like tan and dusky skin tones. It just looks so freaking gorgeous. I absolutely love this shade, you guys. And then we have Colourpop Lippy Stick in Matte X formula. This is in the shade Ziggy. Now again, this is a very unique shade. It has orange undertones, it has reddish undertones, and it also has brown undertones to it. Such a unique shade, and yeah, again flatters deeper complexions very well. And we have the Colourpop Matte formula in the range Taurus, and again this is such a pretty like a warm brown nude. I really love this so much, and again it just flatters every skin tone, and I really love the formula. It's very creamy, it's it just glides on so easily, and it's very, very comfortable on the lips. Then we have from the same range the shade called as Grunge. Now this one, this shade is a mauvey brown shade, definitely like a darker brown, darker browny nude, and this one flatters deep darker complexion very well. Then we have Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. Now this one is my absolute favorite, nude brown shade. Definitely my kind of a shade. I love like a peachy brown nudes, and it's very comfortable, it's long lasting, and it is not transferable lipstick. So yeah, I really love this, you guys. Then we have a Colourpop Ultra Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Limbo. Now this is again a very nice, like a dark vampy chocolate brown shade. Definitely a 90s appropriate kind of a lipstick, very unique and very vampy. So yeah, I really love it, you guys. Then we have the shade called as K from the same range. Now this one has a light bit of reddish undertones to it, and it is brown, so very unique. And again, I just love this so much. For people with dusky deeper complexions, it just looks amazing. But this formula, you guys, it is a very drying on the lips, so definitely would recommend to use a good lip balm before using these lipsticks. Then we have the shade called as Tansy from the same ultra matte range. Now this is a very unique shade. It is kind of like it has some yellow undertones to it, and it is very warm brown nude. Definitely a nude for, like, again, dusky deeper complexions. It just looks amazing. Then we have the shade called as Tidal, and this is the Colourpop Ultra Satin range. Now the Ultra Satin range is so good. They're so creamy, so comfortable on the lips. And now this shade in particular, it's a very pretty, like a peachy brown shade. I love this shade so much. Then we have the shade called as Stud. It's again a pinky brown nude. Again, guys, such a beautiful lip shade. I absolutely love this, and again, I think it flatters almost every skin tone. Yeah, just amazing. Then we have Kylie's lip kit in the shade Brown Sugar. Again, guys, this is such a pretty, like a yellow tone brown nude. Not too yellow though, but still, it's a very pretty color. Definitely flatters, fair to medium and tan skin tones well. Then we have the shade called as Dolce K from the same Kylie's lip kit, and this is again a matte lipstick. And this one is kind of like a grayish, nudie brown. Definitely flatters, again, fair to medium skin tones. Now these lipsticks are again quite similar to the Colourpop ones. They are a little bit drying, so would recommend to use a lip gloss or a lip balm underneath. Then we have Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Leo. Now this one is again a very pretty, like a peachy brown nude. I absolutely love this shade so much, you guys. And this one flatters, fair to medium and medium tan skin tones really well. I love this shade so freaking much, and it is very comfortable on the lips. Then we have L'Oreal Rouge Signature liquid lipstick in the shade I Explore. Now again, I have spoken about this lipstick in so many of my tutorials and videos. I absolutely love this. It's a very lightweight formula. It doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. It's that lightweight, and it just flatters, again, every skin tone so well, up until I think tan skin tones. Then we have Jouer lip cream in the shade Noisette. Again, a very pretty, like a very nude, pale, brown shade. I really like it. I think it just complements fair, medium, and tan skin tones the most. Then we have Arezia Matte Me liquid lipstick in the shade Tree Soil. Now I got these liquid lipsticks from Amazon, and again, it's a very pretty, like a nude brown lipstick. Flatters medium, fair, medium, and tan skin tones. Then again, we have a shade which is very similar to the previous one. It is called as Light Brown, and it's from the brand Swiss Beauty. Again, the same Matte Me lipstick, and it looks very similar, it feels very similar. Yeah, so I just thought of including this as well. So both of them I got from Amazon, you guys. Then we have Morphe's liquid lipstick in the shade Peanut. Now this is such a beautiful, like a corally brown nude. I really like it. It's very unique shade, and again, it flatters every skin tone so well. And even the formula of these, they're very long lasting. It's very comfortable on the lips. I really love this, you guys. Then we have the Estee Lauder Pure Love, Pure Color Love liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa Bana. Now again, this is such a pretty, like a peachy brown nude. Definitely flatters fair to medium to tan skin tones very well, and it is such a beautiful, like a glossy lip shade. So you have to apply 2 to 3 times for to get that complete pigmentation. But yeah, looks stunning. And then we have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Gloss lipstick, and this is in the shade Statement Nude. Now this is a very pretty, like a mauvey brown nude. I really love this so much. And this is not, and also guys, it's a very good, like a highly pigmented gloss. It just stays on for long as well, so yeah, really love it. Okay, so next we have the Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade Mocha Licious. One is mauvey brown nude shade. Definitely flatters medium to tan and dusky skin tone so well. I absolutely love it. Then we have the L'Oreal Rouge Magique lipstick in the shade Divine Mocha. Again, this is very unique shade, you guys. It has a little bit of that reddish undertones to it. It's a brown, nude lipstick, and yeah, it just flatters a deeper complexion so well. It's very comfortable on the lips as well. Then we have Nykaa So Creme Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Your Latte. Now this is again a very pretty, like a nude warm brown shade. Very, very comfortable, flatters every skin tone so well. Okay, so the next lip shade that I have is the Sephora Outrageous Lip Plump, and this is actually a lip gloss in number 02. Now these lip glosses are so amazing, you guys. They just plump your lips. So it is a plumping lip gloss, so there'll be a little tingling sensation, but not only that, like these are so beautiful. They make your lips look very juicy and big, and yeah, I really love this. And this shade in particular is a good, like a brown nude lipstick. So the next one is from Calabar. It's their deep matte lip cream in the shade Deep Cocoa, and this is such a pretty, like amazing shade. It just suits every medium to deeper skin tone so well. And this shade in particular, oh my god, it's such a beautiful, like a peachy coral brown nude. So I really love it. So next we have the PAC Soft Matte lipstick in the shade Spiced Up. Now I really love this formula. It's such a beautiful, like a full coverage lipstick, very comfortable on the lips, it just applies very smoothly. And not only that, like this shade in particular, you guys, it's such a pretty, like a warm nude brown. Then we have Bobbi Brown Crush Lip Color in the shade Bear. Now these lipsticks are more like a lip balm. They're not as pigmented, but it just gives off like a nice, like a balmy texture on your lips. So if you prefer a lighter lipstick, then this is something you can go with. And yeah, this is such a beautiful, like a again a peachy brown shade. So yeah, I really love this. So next we have the Purple Ultra HD Matte lipstick in the shade Zumba Partner. Now again, this is such an amazing like a peachy brown shade, and I really like this. So yeah, and it just looks amazing on every skin tones, especially like fair to medium tan skin tones. It just looks beautiful, and also it is very comfortable on the lips. And then we have the LA Colors matte lipstick in the shade Classy. Now this is a pinky brown shade. So yeah, as you can see, it is very light on the lips, and it suits mostly for fairer skin tones. Again, coming to the formula, it is quite matte and it is very comfortable on the lips, and it has that creamy texture as well. So the next shade is again from the same range, which is in the shade called In Love, and this is a very cool toned lipstick. Of course, this is like a gray tone brown nude shade. So yeah, it's really pretty. Again, this shade in particular, it suits someone from medium to tanner and deep skin tones. Yeah, it's a very pretty shade. So next we have NYX Lingerie Push-Up Lipstick in the shade Seduction. Now this is again such a pretty, like a peachy brown nude. I really love it. Coming to the formula, guys, again, it's very comfortable. It is very pigmented, and it also lasts for very, very long. And then we have Rimmel Stay Glossy. It's a glossy lipstick in the shade Endless Night, and this is such a sheer lip gloss, but yeah, it's a very pretty, again, brown nude. Now definitely you have to put a lipstick or something, or else you can see the pigmentation. And next shade is the Dose of Colors matte lipstick in the shade Mocha, and again, this is such a pretty, like a pinky, like a muted down pinky brown nude. So yeah, I really like this shade, and it just looks amazing for someone with fair to medium and even tanner skin tones can pull it off. Then we have is from the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick in the shade Dream On, and this is such a pretty, like a peachy brown shade. I really love this shade. Now coming to these particular lipsticks, you have to apply them 2 to 3 times, so in order to get that complete pigmentation. But it is, it just stays on so beautifully. It is a long lasting liquid lipstick, and also it is very comfortable on the lips. Okay, the next shade that I have is the PAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sandstorm, and this is again a very pretty warm brown nude. I really love this, and anyone with medium to deeper skin tones can pull this off. It just looks amazing, and yeah, I really love this shade so much. And also the formula is very comfortable on your lips, even though it's a liquid lipstick formula. And then we have a Dose of Colors lip gloss, and this in the shade Seriously. Now this is such a beautiful nude brown gloss, so it definitely suits most of the skin tones, like from fair to medium and even tanner skin tones. So next we have the Color Bar lipstick in the shade Honeydew. Now this is such a beautiful shade of brown. It has little specks of gold in there, so you can't see on camera, but in person you can make out. It's kind of like a metallic lipstick, very comfortable, and yeah, it's really good. So next we have the Nykaa Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade Basic, and this is again a very pretty warm peachy brown nude, and I really like this. So anyone, again, people with medium to tan and deeper skin tones can pull this off so easily. It is such a beautiful lip shade, and it's very comfortable as well. So it's mostly like a lipstick gloss. And then we have Jouer lip gloss in the shade Maiden Lane. Again, this is such a nude brown lip gloss, so definitely people with fair to medium skin tones can pull this off, but anyone after that, it just washes them off. And look at that, even on my skin tone it just looks so nude, but it's still guys, it's such a beautiful nude shade. I really love it. And again, it's a very pigmented lip gloss. And then we have NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Berlin. Now this shade in particular, it has a little specks of red undertones to it along with brown, so it's kind of like a reddish brown nude. And again, if for anyone from medium to like tan and dusky skin tones can easily pull this off. Then we have from the same range the shade called as Dubai, and this is kind of like a gray undertone brown shade, and again looks flattering on most of the skin tones. Then we have the shade called as London, and this is such a beautiful, like a nude shade. Again, for anyone with fair to medium and even tan skin tones can pull this off. Now this formula is very, it's lightweight, it's very comfortable on the lips, and it's not as pigmented. So next we have the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark, and this is again a very pretty gray undertone brown shade. Suits anyone from medium to darker skin tones really well. Now coming to this formula as well, it is quite pigmented compared to the soft matte lip cream. So the next shade I have is called as After Us. It is again very similar to the previous shade, but this is a tad bit darker, and again for anyone with tan to deeper skin tones, this will look really pretty. And then we have the Essence Triple XL lip gloss, and this in the shade Soft Almond. It's a very pretty, like again very nude brown lip shade. I really like this color, and yeah, it just looks beautiful on almost every skin tone. Even the gloss itself is very pretty, and it just makes your lips look very big and juicy. And then we have Elating Colourpop Silk Lipstick in the shade B41. Again, this is such a pretty shade, and I think it just flatters deeper skin tones so well. Now this lipstick is just for ₹100, you guys, I know, and it's so inexpensive. So yeah, I really like it. The formula is great, so definitely worth checking out. And then we have the Maybelline Ink Crayon in the shade Live on Edge. I really love this shade so much. It is actually very different. It is kind of like a reddish brown nude. Definitely the best nude shade for tan to dusky skin tones. And then we have NYX Intense Butter Gloss in the shade Chocolate Crepe. Now this is such a pretty lip gloss. Now these lip glosses are very pigmented, as you all can see. It's a really pretty, like a peachy pink brown. I really like this shade. I think it just looks amazing on almost every skin tone. Then we have LA Girl matte lipstick in the shade Spicy. This is actually not complete matte lipstick. It does have a little bit of sheen in there, but it's such a pretty, like a dark, vampy brown shade. It's really gorgeous, and yeah, just to like jazz up your looks, you can wear this. And then we have Lime Crime Unicorn lipstick in the shade Lace Up. It's again a very pretty nude brown shade, very warm nude brown. I really like this, and I think it just looks amazing for people from fair to medium tan skin tones. It just looks amazing. So next I have from the same range the shade called as Fishnet. Now this one is a very pretty, like a coral brown shade. I really like this color so much. I just feel like it suits again most of the skin tones really well, but especially for people from medium to tan and deeper skin tones, it is going to be the perfect nude, and I really love this shade so much. Now these are not, I don't think they're yet come to India, but I just felt like including them because these are such pretty shades. Then we have Lime Crime plushies in the shade Butterscotch. Now this shade is so damn gorgeous. This is again a very pretty, like a warm nude shade with a hint of peach undertones to it. So very pretty, very gorgeous, and yes, it is also very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips, so it's that comfortable. Yeah, I really like this. And then we have a bunch of Lime Crime Velveteens lipsticks. Now I have like a full-blown review on this. In case you guys want to see that, you can check out my description box. This shade is called as Shroom, and it's such a pretty, like a yellow brown nude, very unique shade. I really love it, and I think for people from fair to medium tan skin tones, it just looks amazing. Then we have the shade called Salem, again a very nice, like a dark brown lipstick. And lastly, I have the shade called as Riot, which is again a peachy brown nude. I really love this so much, and it just flatters every skin tone and makes your face look very young and cute. So yeah, I really like this shade very much. And lastly, I have the shade called as Cindy, again a very pretty, like a warm orangey nude shade, orange brown nude. So yeah, I really like this as well. Now these lipsticks are very comfortable on the lips, and they're very pigmented.
So that completes today's video. I hope you all really enjoyed it. Also, a lot of you are watching my videos without subscribing. I would really appreciate if you can just subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video as much as possible, because it's free and the amount of work that goes into creating such videos is a lot. So I would really appreciate if you can do that. So coming to today's shout out, it goes to my slay queen Himani Agarwal. Thank you so much for your beautiful comment. And guys, if you want me to take your name next, then all you have to do is just type hashtag lipstick Friday in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, I will catch you next time with another interesting video. Until then, you all know the drill. Keep slaying. Take care guys. Bye.